Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I just wanna say guys, I'm so sorry I'm not posting a video for you guys. I just wanna know why. My phone was broken, but it took long to fix it and I wanna ask you guys, thank you very much not subscribing to me. I just wanna say guys, I finally got it. I asked my mommy for it. I was big or hard for it. Finally got a laptop, a new brand new laptop, and I'm happy about it. I'm playing on it now. I can't use now. And you guys wanna see the laptop thingy, the laptop, and leave it down in the comments. I'll make a part 2 about it. And I wanted to say, guys, once I'm done here with everything on this laptop, I'm gonna make good videos, good content videos for you guys. And I'll make very good content videos for you guys. And I wanted to say, guys, thanks for not subscribing. I'm so sorry I didn't post. And oh yeah, guys, I forgot. There's this new Roblox update. I did my age thingy, and you guys wanna speak to me. One of you guys have to be until 60 or 70 days. There's no other way for me to see your chat, or maybe I'll download Discord for you guys, and we can do that. Then we can talk to each other on Discord. It's like, oh yeah, guys, and I'm still playing my own game. I'm on Roblox Studio, and I wanna say. And I wanna say I'm a little struggling. I'm struggling a lot. I don't know how to strip. And you guys wanna help me out on stripping. One of you guys need to make a video and tag me in. And I see how you guys good on stripping. We can make a very good game about it. A very, very, very good game. And we can make that game go high. Maybe I'll see how much Robux I'll give you guys for that now. I only need how much developers I need? Say 3. Nah, make it 3, yeah. This is my sister's vote and I'm 5th. Now, yeah, guys, I wanna say, please, guys, I need help. I wanna say, when I finish this game, we make this game go popular, and we can make this game come bigger, the biggest game. Okay, guys, I have to go now. It's late for us. It's late in the night for us. It's almost our sleeping time. And I wanna say, guys, thank you very, very much. I've been saying thank you very much for you guys. Do not unsubscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, guys, please follow me. I need some followers. I really need some followers. Please follow me, please. And you guys follow me, I'll add you guys. Because I have so much people adding me, and I don't know who are you guys, what account you have. Follow me, add this back. Add me and follow me. Then I'll add this back. And let's try to hit this account 15 followers. 50 followers. I wanna make this account hit. And once we hit say 220, I have a face of you guys, and it's like it, and it's wanna do a face of you. I do a face of you guys. Okay, guys, see you in the next one. I love you all. Peace out.